The OnePlus Open Apex Edition has been launched in India and globally, offering a single variant with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. This edition also features a familiar vegan leather rear panel, similar to the Voyager Black variant, but with a premium crimson red finish that truly stands out. However, the changes aren't just cosmetic. The OnePlus Open was originally introduced in India in October 2023 with a 16 gigabytes RAM plus 5 or 12 gigabytes storage configuration. Now the OnePlus Open Apex Edition comes with an additional VIP mode for enhanced privacy. Let's talk about the display. The OnePlus Open sports a 7.82-inch 2K Flexi Fluid LTPO 3.0 AMOLED primary display with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2,800 nits of peak brightness. On the outside, it features a 6.31-inch 2K LTPO 3.0 Super Fluid AMOLED display, which also offers the same refresh rate and peak brightness as the inner screen. In terms of photography, the OnePlus Open is equipped with a Hasselblad-branded triple-camera setup. 48-megapixel Sony LTT808 primary camera, 64-megapixel 3-guys telephoto camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies, you get a 20-megapixel front camera and a 32-megapixel selfie shooter on the cover display, ensuring your photos look amazing from any angle. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open Apex Edition is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip with an Adreno 740 GPU, delivering top-notch performance. The handset is backed by a dual-cell 4800 mAh battery that supports 67-watt fast charging via USB Type-C. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.